everyone, I am Teba Khan from SYBCom. In this video, we are going to learn about OPAC, Online Public Access Catalogue. But for that, first you need to know what is Catalogue. Library Catalogue is an essential tool. It serves as a key to the resources of a library. Without it, it will be difficult to know what is available and where it can be located. It is a tool staff uses. It organizes and provides access to their collections of books, journals, multimedia resources, and other materials. Library Catalog also enables users in locating specific items, discovering new resources, and exploring related topics. A catalog library resources is a list or databases of books, usually arranged in a specific order, such as by author, title, or subject matters. In order to provide access to the holdings of a library, an index or list of available materials in the collection must be maintained.
This library catalog describes what the library has, tells you where the items are, show you how to get them. Now we will see what are the tasks that are performed by the library catalog. As we know that it is basically about providing the information regarding the documents owned by the library. Now we will see how we can search documents or book in our library catalog, such as title. Title is basically the name of the book. Further, we can go also by the author, the person who wrote the book or is responsible for resources. Or we also have the subject, which is nothing but the theme, area of study or topic of the book. Then there's the publisher, the company which is responsible for production and the distribution of the book. And finally, ISBN number, that is International Standard Book Number, which is an unique identity for each and every title of the book.
The name of our library catalog system is SOUL, in which we can find different book resources from different ways. The first and foremost would be basic search, in which you can search your document book through title, author, subject, publisher, ISBN number, etc., which is fast and simple for journal queries. Next, we have free search, where you don't have to use title or author to search your document, but the phrases or the content of the book for fast and better experience. Now come to the Boolean search, in which we have three operators, which are AND, OR, NOT, and criteria of this operator are as you can see on the screen. And finally we have advanced Boolean search, which has a bit of the complex system, due to which is mostly used by librarian, professor or cataloger.
We have already seen how to search books through OPAC. OPAC is nothing but it is Online Public Access Catalog, which is a digital form of a library catalog. We can search books through mobile or computer when it is connected to internet or any other network. A library web OPAC is used to search books through author, title, publisher and classification number and other parameters.